Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to change Shopify add to cart button color. So the first step is to simply go on and go to your online store and then simply click on themes. After that you'll have to go to your current theme and then simply click on customize. After that you'll have to simply go to theme settings here on the left side, and then you'll have to simply go to buttons, and as you can see here you can change the thickness, opacity, and much more. But if you want to change the color, you'll have to simply go to colors, and then here, as you can see, you have color scheme, so you can choose one of these. And then as you can see, you have solid button label. And the sad part is that you cannot change only the cart add to cart button color, so you're gonna have to change the color of all buttons on your store. So if you want to do that, you'll have to simply click on this, then you can go on and change the color of the button, and then we can go here and let's go to cart. And as you can see, we have this button here. Let me go to the So I have to add some products first. I have these example products so I can show you exactly, but you'll have to play around with the colors here, and then you'll have to simply change the solid button label here. As you can see, you have the color, and then you'll have to simply change it to whatever color you want. But keep in mind, as I said, this will change all the buttons on your store. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.